In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix an Android phone not receiving text messages. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, Android messaging is undergoing a major shift. Samsung is currently phasing out its native Samsung Messages app in favor of Google Messages, and Android 16 has introduced stricter RCS requirements. So, if you haven't got it downloaded already, what you want to do is go over to your Google Play Store. I'm just going to move it back to the home screen. And once you have it on your home screen and it's displayed, all you want to do is go ahead and click on it and then download the Google Messages application from the App Store. So just go ahead and type in Google Messages like so. Go ahead and download it, and then it's going to ask you once you have it downloaded if you want to set that as your default. So let's say I continue. Just make sure you set it as your default, and then you should be in a much better state. Also, what you could do is your carrier services cache might be clogged up. So what you want to go ahead and do from this point is swipe down in the top right, go to your settings wheel cog icon. It's going to show your settings. Then go ahead and find the app section, which is going to be towards the bottom. Then once you're in the app section, go ahead to see all apps. Then look for carrier services. So just scroll down until you find that, or mobile services. Then let's just say it's this one. All you want to do is tap storage and cache. Go down here and then clear cache on the bottom, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.